Hello, welcome to This Old Geek. I'm Mike Esker. Now I am continuing my project that I started in the last couple videos. I have my armature already, and now I'm going to apply my paper clay, which I made up already. Now this is not my own recipe. I got this recipe from a YouTube channel, Ultimate Paper Mâché, and I will post a link to that below, which she explains it a lot better than what I can. So what I'm going to do, I am going to start applying this to this here. I'm just going to put on a thin coat. This is like a base coat that I'm going to put on, because I'm going to do more sculpting on top of that. I have my armature almost completely covered with the paper mache clay that I made up. I'm going to let this top part dry, and then I'm going to do underneath. I'll let this thoroughly dry first. And then when that's all done, then I'm going to do another layer where I'm going to actually do some actual sculpting. And I'm going to have to thicken this up a little bit, make it a little more stiffer. I'm going to add some more flour to it. Now the link that I am posting below is for the original recipe from Ultimate Paper Mâché. That's where I learned how to do this. Now there's all kinds of variations and all kinds of different recipes out there on the internet and YouTube. So check out which one works best for you. Right now I'm just going to let this dry.